How to edit or delete a record in cPanel using the DNS Zone Editor. Log into your cPanel account, you will be on this page. DNS Zone Editor allows you to manage, delete, or modify DNS records. Scroll down to the Domains section and click on the Zone Editor icon. First load the DNS records of that particular domain you wish to alter. Suppose we want to alter the DNS records of the domain example.com, then click on the Manage button in front of example.com. DNS records of the selected domain are loaded on the page. Now locate the record you wish to edit and click on the Edit button provided in the row of the record. Now make the required changes and click on the Save Record button. That's it, we have successfully updated the selected DNS record. Now to delete a record, click on the Delete button provided in the row of the particular record you wish to delete, and continue. That's it, we have successfully deleted the A record. Now you know how to edit or delete a record. Thank you for watching.